I've got a Lenovo T580. Looks like the screen is cracked. I turned on. Won't come up. It's got a busted screen. And we're going to replace the screen. Power it off. Let's take the battery out. Now, replacing the screen is pretty easy. It looks complicated, but it's not. This panel here is sort of like a plastic stick-on thing. Sometimes you can use your fingernail. Sometimes you can get over here. They've got tools, little scrubbings or something that you get it, but I usually I sort of do it like this, and it just sort of snaps out. You want to take it all the way around. Be very careful with it though. You don't want to bust these little clips. Take it apart, and you see it's got these little snaps here. So it snaps in, snaps out. You got the screen right there. Now you need a Phillips screwdriver. Got 4 little screws. Let me take those out real quick. Don't drop them. 1. Another 1, 2. 3. That's the easy part. This other part's a little bit more delicate. Pull the screen down. Got a little piece of tape here. And a wire that's connected. Get a small little screwdriver. Get the tape up. It's got to be a little bit delicate with this. It's a connector here. I'll show you. Connector with some pins. It's got a little wire, a little clip here. Pry it up on one side, pry it up on the other side, and then you gently sort of slide it out. There. These are pins. And you see this? That's where the pins where it goes in. So that's the old one, broken, cracked. Sit that over there. Let's get the new one. Line it up. This one here. So you got to fit this in. It only goes in one way, very, very gently. Sort of line it up. I line it up and get the little clip out of the way. Gently ease it in, and you know it's in when you can take the clip and snap the clip back down on both sides. There it is. Click back in. Put the tape. Now put the 4 screws back in, and we'll test this unit, see if it's going to work. Don't get them cross-threaded. Just be patient. Put it in. All right, let's let's test it before I snap it back together. Got it there. I'm not going to put the battery in. All I really need to do is just put power on it. Let's see what happens here. Cycling up, fingers crossed. There we go. Let's put it back together now. Now they cover these with a little bit of protective plastic. Just peel that off gently. There goes with the rubbish. Sometimes this little lens will fall out. You got to be careful. Popped out when I laid it down. It just fits back in there. Unit looks like it's running. And this one here, this little rim here, you got to tuck it in. Tuck it in, and then be sure you line up those little things, and it just sort of zippers back up. Close the top. And there we go. Screen replaced. Thank you.